What determines Olympic success?
Based on number of medals won, America has led for years. Since 2000, it's won 11% of all Olympic medals in the Summer Games.
Followed by China with 8% and Russia with 7%. America's winning streak looks set to continue in Paris.
It's predicted that the US will take home 115 of about 1,000 medals.
So, what's behind its winning formula? One answer is money. Rich countries can invest more in sports facilities and coaching. If a country increases its share of global GDP by 2 percentage points, its share of Olympic medals increases by 3 points. What happens if we level the playing field by adjusting for GDP? The island nation of Jamaica jumps up to the top, pushing America all the way down to number 50. For every $100 billion of GDP, Jamaica nets 69 medals. Population size matters too. Bigger countries should, in theory, have a larger pool of talent. But that's not always the case. When we adjust for medals per million people, India comes last,
with just a fraction of 1 medal per million people. While, once again, Jamaica takes the top spot. No single measure of Olympic success is perfect, but these ones do give an idea of why some countries do better than others.